Welcome to my review of Bill4Time, an accounting software designed for professionals like lawyers, accountants, consultants, and other service providers. Bill4Time combines time tracking, invoicing, and project management in one platform. Upon logging in, you're immediately presented with a clean, user-friendly dashboard. The interface is designed to give you quick access to your current projects, timesheets, and financial data. The navigation is straightforward, making it easy for new users to get started with minimal effort. The main feature of Bill4Time is its time tracking system. It allows you to track your hours seamlessly, either manually or with the built-in timer. This is especially useful for service professionals who bill clients based on time spent. You can also categorize your time by project or client, ensuring that your billing is accurate and detailed. Another key feature is the invoicing tool. Bill4Time enables you to create customizable invoices, so you can add your branding and choose from multiple templates. You can also set hourly rates for different clients and services, helping you generate invoices quickly. The software automatically tracks the time worked and populates this data into your invoices, which saves you a lot of time and reduces errors. The software also includes a range of reporting tools, such as financial reports, profit and loss statements, and detailed time logs. This helps you gain valuable insights into your business performance. You can export these reports in various formats, including PDF and Excel, making them easy to share with clients or your accountant. Bill4Time is cloud-based, which means you can access your data from anywhere with an internet connection. It also integrates with popular accounting platforms like QuickBooks and Xero, so you can sync your financial data seamlessly. This integration helps streamline your entire accounting process. In terms of pricing, Bill4Time offers several plans based on your needs. Whether you're a solo professional or part of a larger team, there's a plan that fits your budget. The pricing is transparent, with no hidden fees, and they offer a 30-day free trial, which is great for testing the platform before committing. Now, many useful links can be found in the description, so make sure to check that out after watching the video. These links cover additional resources that may help you in your accounting journey. To wrap up, Bill4Time is a solid choice for professionals who need an all-in-one solution for time tracking, billing, and reporting. The software is intuitive, easy to use, and packed with features that can save you time and improve your business efficiency. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching.